Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to solve basic arithmetic problems in Photomath. First of all, download and install Photomath application on your device and launch the app open. You will then come across this camera screen. If you haven't, you'll need to allow camera access for your device. Now, make sure that you point your device's camera at the printed or handwritten math problem. After finding the math problem, click on the red shutter button at the bottom and then frame the question inside the box as shown on the screen and click on Solve. Now, you will be able to see that the problem has now been solved. Photomath also provides explanation for each steps of the solution. To see those solutions, click on Show Solving Steps at the bottom, and you will then be able to see how you can review these steps to understand the process and improve your math problems. That's how you can easily use Photomath to solve basic arithmetic problems in a simple and a straightforward process. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.